Good day. In this video, we will show you how to correctly connect the aqua kit FUGAS to the TEKNIX electric boiler. The TEKNIX electric boiler is a single circuit boiler, but thanks to the installation of an additional heat carrier flow distributor, it is possible to use the boiler for two circuits: heating and hot water with an indirect storage water tank. In our case, such a distributor is the FUGAS aqua kit, which is installed directly on the boiler supply pipe as shown in this example. The flow distributor with electronic control, a servo drive, is installed precisely on the supply. The boiler's operating program already includes an algorithm for controlling such a switch. The priority of the boiler operation is always set to work in the hot water supply mode. The boiler is oriented by the water temperature in the storage tank using a temperature sensor. It is necessary to use the sensor that comes with the boiler, despite the fact that there is also a temperature sensor in the aqua kit. Connecting the servo drive's electrical connector to the boiler. To perform this operation, we will need access to the internal part of the device. Therefore, we warn about following safety rules. Before starting any maintenance, it is essential to disconnect the power supply and drain the water from the boiler. To begin, we need to remove the front panel. We emphasize the importance of avoiding cable disconnections. To do this, it is necessary to detach the control display and the grounding cable that is attached to the front panel. It should be noted that the 3-core wire to the servo drive may have different colors for connection to the boiler. First option, wire with red, white, black colors. Connects like this. The black wire should only go to N to 0, red to the terminal SB, white one on terminal SA. The red and white wire can be swapped depending on the connection of the pipes to the three-way valve. Second option, wire with brown, blue, black colors. Connect like this. The blue wire should only go to N to 0, the brown one to terminal SB, black on terminal SA. The brown and black wire can be switched depending on the connection of the pipes to the three-way valve for optimal performance. The hydraulic part is connected correctly like this. In this video, we examined the possibility of assembling and correctly connecting a three-way valve to a TEKNIX electric boiler. Thank you for your attention.